Practices 7.1, question number 1. Find the volume of a cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 centimeter and its perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. See this. This is cone. This is figure of cone. Now we have given radius of base. Radius of base R. What is 1.5 centimeter and perpendicular height, this is h is equal to 5 centimeter. Now here pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, find the volume of a cone. Volume of cone with radius and height both are given and value of pi also given. Therefore, see here, volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Therefore, we put values. See here, therefore, volume of cone is equal to, we put values of pi, then r and h. 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r, value of r 1.5 into h, value of h is 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, see this, we multiply here. See this, 15 into means 1.5, we say 15 now. 15 into 22, 15 to the 30, 15 ones are 15 and 15 to the 30, 30 and 3, 33, 1 decimal place. So we give here 33.0 into 5 into 5, 25, 1 decimal place. So we write here 2.5 upon series 7. Okay, therefore, see this carefully. Now here we write product of these two. 25 3s are 75. Then 75, 25 3s are 75 and 7, 82. How many decimal places? 1 upon 7. Now, therefore, we finally write here volume of cone is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, then left 5. Okay, decimal point. Then we take 5 here. Then 7 sevens are 49. Okay, means left 6. Then 7 8s are 56. Then left 4 and 7 5s are. Did you get it? This is volume. So centimeter cube. Okay. Therefore, finally we write volume of cone We can keep this answer. This is also right. If we want up to 2 decimal places, then see this, 2 decimal places. The third digit, that is 5 or bigger than 5, then add 1 in previous digit. So 8 becomes 9. Therefore, 11.79 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of cone is equal to 11.79 centimeter. Question number 8. A toy made from a hemisphere, a cylinder, and a cone is shown in this figure. Find the total area of the toy in terms of pi. In terms of pi. Now we have given here radius. We have given here radius. R is equal to 3 centimeter. And here this H is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Now this height we have given 40 centimeter, means from this, or we write here, then that becomes very easy. Up to this, see here, up to this. Now this radius and this radius both are same, because this cone attached to this cylinder and this hemisphere also attached to this cylinder. So radius, or we say radii of all three are equal. Okay, this is capital H. Then we will find total area of the toy. For that we want slant height. For that we want slant height. We will find it first. See here, for cone, see this, L square is equal to H square plus R square. Okay, we put values. What is H? 4 centimeter, bracket square, plus 3 square, R is 3. Therefore 16 plus 9. Therefore we write L square is equal to 25. So we take square roots of both the sides. So we write square root of L square is equal to square root of 25. Now square root and square cancel. Therefore L is equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we will find total area. Therefore the total area of the toy is equal to, see this, curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved, or that will less space, so we write here, see this, I will write here, total area of toy. Total area of toy is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. See this, hemisphere, then cylinder, plus curved surface area of cone. Did you get it? Then we write here formula. Okay, total area of toy, curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square, plus curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h, capital H, no, we have taken, plus curved surface area of cone pi r l. Did you get it? Now we put all values of this. First of all, we will take pi r common. Pi r common. See here, therefore total area of toy is equal to, take, see here, pi r, pi r, pi r, we take common, pi r. Then what is left here? See this, 2r plus, see here, 2r plus 2 into capital H. Pi r taken outside. Okay, see here, pi r square, no, pi r common, so left 2r. Here pi r common, then what is left? And this becomes very easy. Therefore we keep this pi as it is, because in terms of pi, what is r? R 3, square bracket 2 into 3, 2 into 3, plus 2 into capital H 40, plus L 5. Therefore pi into 3, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 40 means 80, plus 5. Therefore pi into 3 into addition of all these 3, that is 91, 80, 86 and 91. Therefore product of these two, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, and this pi. Did you get it? And this is curved surface area. Therefore this is in centimeter square. Therefore total area of toy is equal to 273 pi centimeter square. Question number 9. A cylindrical wrapper. This is cylindrical wrapper of flat tablets is shown. This is tablet. The radius of a tablet, see here, for tablets, see here, radius r 7 mm and its thickness means height, and h is equal to 5 mm. Okay, this is for tablets. Then how many such tablets are wrapped in the wrapper? Okay, now we have given here a diameter diameter of this cylindrical wrapper. What is that? C. For wrapper, C, capital H, total height 10 centimeter. We convert this centimeter into millimeter. So we write here series. Therefore, H is equal to 10 into 10 mm is equal to 100 mm. Okay, and we have given diameter. Diameter is equal to 14 mm. So formula for diameter 2r is equal to 14 mm. So we write therefore r is equal to 14 upon 2 mm is equal to 7 mm, means radius of tablet and radius of wrapper both are equal, same. Did you get it? Then we will find how many such tablets are wrapped in this wrapper. So see this, I have given formula. See this. Therefore, number of tablets is equal to volume of cylindrical wrapper. I will write here only wrapper. Volume of cylindrical wrapper upon volume of tablet. Did you get it? Therefore, series. Therefore, number of tablets is equal to volume of wrapper, see here, pi r square h, capital H. We have taken here capital H, and volume of tablet, series for tablet, pi r square h. This is also cylindrical. So we have written here capital H, small h. Okay, here series cancelled. Then r square cancelled. Then what is left here? H, capital H, 100 millimeter upon small h, 5 millimeter. Did you get it? See here 5, here I have written mm cancelled. 5 to the 10 and this 0. Therefore, we write our final answer. Number of tablets is equal to 20. Therefore, 20 tablets are wrapped in the wrapper. Question number 10. Figure 7.13 shows a toy. Its lower part is a hemisphere and upper part is a cone. Find the volume and the surface area of the toy from the measures shown in the figure, means height, radius, then value of pi, those are given. Okay, when we find surface area of cone, then we need slant height. We want or we need slant height. So we write here series for cone. For cone, here h is equal to 4 centimeter, radius 3 centimeter. Radius of cone as well as hemisphere, both are same. Okay, and we don't know L. So we first of all find slant height L by using formula. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Therefore, L square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. Therefore, L square is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Taking square roots of both the sides, square root of L square is equal to square root of 25. Square root and square cancel. Therefore, L is equal to 5. Okay, this is value of L, 5 centimeter. Now first we will find here volume of toy. First, volume of toy. Volume of toy. Toy is made from cone S. Volume of cone plus made from cone and hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere. Did you get it? Therefore, volume of toy is equal to volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we substitute here values. Therefore, volume of toy is equal to, see here we take pi r square and 1 upon 3 common. Okay, see this 1 upon 3 and from this 1 upon 3 pi r square we take common. Okay, see this, then what is left here? H plus here 2r. What is left here? 2r. See this, 1 upon 3 pi r square we have taken common, then left here h. 1 upon 3 common, pi r square also common, then left 2 and r. Did you get it? Now we put values. See here. Therefore, volume of toy is equal to 1 upon 3 value of pi. What is value of pi? 3.14 r square. What is value of r? 3 into 3 r square. So 3 into 3 square bracket h. What is value of h? 4 plus 2 into r. 2 into r. Did you get it? Then 3 cancel. Therefore, volume of toy is equal to product of this 3 into 3.14. See here. 9.42 means 314 3s are 3 into 4 12, 3 into 1 3 and 1 4, 3 3s are 9. Did you get it? Bracket, see this, 4 plus 2 into 3 6. Therefore 9.42 into 10. Therefore 10 into this, then we take this for before decimal point. Now this is volume, so we write centimeter cube, 94.2 centimeter cube. Okay, then next, second, surface area. See this, the surface area of toy. Now this toy is made from cone, so we write is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere, or we write surface area of hemisphere. Okay, we write here formula. Curved surface area of cone pi r l plus surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Now we take here pi r common. See this, pi r, and here also pi r. Then left l plus 2 into r. Did you get it? Therefore, pi, value of pi is 3.14. 3.14. R 3. No. Then L. What is L? 5 plus 2 into R. R is 3. Did you get it? Is equal to product of this 2. Product of this 2. See here. I have written here 9.42 into 5 plus 2 into 3 6. Therefore 9.42 into 5 plus 6 11 is equal to, see this, 9.42 into 11 into 2 22, 11 for the 44 46. Okay, 11 nines are 99, 99 and 4 103. How many decimal places? 2. 1 and 2. 1 2. Did you get it? This is surface area, so we write centimeter square. This is your answer. Question number 11. Find the surface area and volume of a beach ball shown in the figure. Now we have given diameter of this beach ball. So first we write diameter D is equal to 42 centimeter. Now we know formula for diameter. To find radius, D is equal to 2R is equal to 42 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to 42 upon 2 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to 21 centimeter. And we have given value of pi also. Therefore, first we will find the surface area of this beach ball. Okay, see this. Now, surface area of beach ball. Surface area of beach ball is equal to 4 pi r square. This is beach ball, and surface area means this. All surface area of this beach ball is equal to 4 pi r square. Now we put values. 4 into 3.14 value of pi, and into r 21 into 21. Did you get it? Now we do your multiplication series. 4 into 3.14. 314 for the 1256 into product of these two, 21 into 21. See here, 21 ones are 21. Carry 2. 21 to the 42 and 2, 44. Then finally we write surface area of beach ball is equal to product of these two. Now see here, product of these two. 5, 3, 8.96 centimeter square. This is product of these two. Okay. Then the second, that is volume of the beach ball. Series. Volume of this beach ball is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. Then we put values. 4 into pi, value of pi 3.14 into 21 into 21 into 21 upon this 3. 3 sevens are 21. Therefore, product of these two I have written here. See this, 12.56 into product of these two, 441 into 7. Okay. Then product of all these, 38,772 into 0.72 centimeter cube. This is the volume of volume of the beach ball. Question number 12. As shown in the figure, a cylindrical glass contains water. Okay, a metal sphere, this metal sphere of diameter 2 centimeters, here d is equal to 2 cm, is immersed in it. Find the volume of the water. Volume of the water. Now in terms of pi. In terms of pi. See here. Now we have given here. See this. First of all, diameter of this glass. Diameter of this glass. Cylindrical glass. So we write here, see this. Capital D. So we write here capital R is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, 2 into R is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to, capital R is equal to 14 upon 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, this is for glass. This is for glass. For glass. Now, for glass, H is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. Now, we write for this metal sphere. For this metal sphere. See here. We write for metal sphere. See this. D is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, formula for diameter 2R is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, R is equal to small letter R is equal to 1 centimeter. Then, what is the question? Find the volume of water. Volume of the water. See here. Therefore, volume of the water left in this cylindrical glass, left in this cylindrical glass after taking out this metal sphere, taking out this metal sphere. When we add something solid, when we add something solid inside this water, then the height of the water increases, or that is raises. That raised here. Height of that water increases. That is according to the Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle. When we drop or put something here, metal sphere, when we put in this water, then height of the water increases. Okay. So we write here volume of the water left in this cylindrical glass is equal to, see here, volume of, see this, volume of water, minus volume of metal sphere. Volume of metal sphere. Now, volume of water means along with volume of water, this volume of water with this metal sphere, volume of water with metal sphere, minus volume of metal sphere. Therefore, sphere for this water, that is when we keep liquid in any container, then that takes the shape of that container. You may have studied in physics. Okay, so volume of water with metal sphere. What is volume? Pi r square h minus volume of metal sphere. 4/3 pi r cube. Sphere. Therefore, in terms of pi, so we take pi common. Okay, pi common. Then what is left? R square h minus here 4/3 r cube. Therefore, we put values. What is capital R? 7 into 7 square. So we write 7 into 7 into h 30 minus 4/3 into R 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, or we write here 1 cube into pi. Series 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 3, 147, and this 0 minus 1 cube is 1. 1 cube is 1. So division of this, 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. And here pi. Did you get it? Now we write here series. Subtraction. See, we do this subtraction this way. 1470.00 and this way. Okay, subtraction. 10 minus 3. Carry 1. 10 minus 4. Carry 1. 10 minus 2. 8. Carry 1. 7 minus 1. 6. Then 4 and this. Therefore, 1468.67 pi. Now this is volume of water. So centimeter cube or cubic centimeter.